Taste the jasmine flavor so well. Subtitles on my videos now. Ooh. This is too funny. It's finally the weekend and I've been looking forward to the weekend so much because I worked 5 days for my 9 to 5 this week, and next week I will have 4 days again. So I do 4 days, 5 days, 4 days, 5 days. But every time I have the 5 days, I just feel like it's such a long work week. But now that it's the weekend, I do want to have a productive weekend, which is why I'm vlogging. I think that's all the makeup I'm gonna do for today. I did my full shower this morning, and before I started blow drying my hair, I did use the new Gisou Honey Milk 5-in-1 styling cream. And I hope that that would help with having these waves in my hair. The styling cream definitely makes my hair look very shiny and very soft. Ooh. I prepped jasmine milk tea yesterday so I could make my matcha today, and you can definitely taste the jasmine flavor so well. So yum. I've never done it before and it's a success. First try. Now that we look all glammed up, I want to take a few pictures because it looks too good. A very good hair day. I'm also gonna make a TikTok. You see how this really lightened up my mood? Like I'm all of a sudden like all giggly, happy. I don't know. I actually booked an appointment to cut my hair next week because I was tired of my current hair. Like I just didn't know what to do with it. I figured if I cut it short, I can do a lot more cute things with it. But now that I have this result, I might just get a little trim next week instead of going short. Like, I don't know, what should we do? So I've been trying to change my editing style a little bit and just in general put more effort in. So one of the biggest difference that I made is that I actually have subtitles on my videos now. I think these subtitles are so convenient to have in your videos because sometimes I like to watch YouTube videos, but then I'm doing something that makes a lot of noise, like for example, blow drying my hair, but I still want to watch the YouTube video. But then if there's no subtitles on the video, then I'm basically just looking at the visuals, which is fine as well. But it's a lot more fun if you can just keep reading the subtitles while watching the video, even though you don't actually hear the person saying it. So I thought that might also be nice for my own videos. I think I'm definitely getting closer to a editing style that really resonates with me and like feels like it's my personal style. And I hope you guys are noticing it as well and are enjoying watching my vlogs as well with the new editing style. Anyway, let's really edit now. We are going to attempt to make pizzas at home tonight. I haven't done this before ever, I think, but we saw this at the supermarket and we were like, why not make a little pizza night of it? So we went and got the ingredients. We're gonna put pepperoni on it, cheese, mozzarella, serrano ham, tomato pizza sauce. Oh, and we also have rucola for the pizza. We just had lunch, so we're not gonna prepare dinner anytime soon yet. I still need to finish editing the vlog, and after that I wanna draw for the sticker shop. So let's finish the vlog first. I am going to make the second pizza using this bread. Ooh. Space & K is having 20% off on a lot of their makeup beauty products. So I'm thinking of getting the Westmount Atelier Petite Face Trace Contour Stick in the shade Truffle. This is super popular and I'm getting the petite because I never finish my products, so there's no need to get the full size. Plus it saves you a lot of money. I've also been wanting the Hourglass brushes for the longest time. This one is a foundation brush and this one is a concealer brush. And I've also always wanted to try the Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Concealer. And this is a new shade, Khaki 6.25. The only thing with concealers is that I always think it's tricky because I don't know my exact shade. And what if this one is too yellow or too light? And it's normally 41 euros and now it's 32 euros and 80 cents. So I feel like this last product might be a little bit risky to order because if it's not my shade, I can't really return it and then I'm stuck with a concealer that I can't use for this price. Muchos gachos. Okay. 5 minuten, 3 minuten, 4 minuten. I have a very exciting package from my mom made it. I wear a lot of their pieces and I'm basically on their PR list, so every once in a while I get to choose an item or a few items from their new collection. I chose 2 items. It came with a little card. I think they upgraded the branding because I have not had this one before. This is so cute. I can use this in my junk journal. It always comes with an air freshener for your car and this time they have a new design as well. Ooh, they even included their autumn lookbook. They did so much on their branding this time. This is so cute. Also keeping this for my journal. So this is the first thing that I chose, which is a small item. I chose this small bag charm, which is so cute. It's a little cushion with this. And this is the main thing that I'm excited about, because I actually went for the trench coat and I don't have a trench coat in this beige shade yet, which is the most original shade for trench coats. Ooh, it's heavy and thick and it's not your average trench coat. The whole My Mom Made It brand is very girly in my opinion. Having dinner on Wednesday with my friend and asked him if he can help me take some pictures with this coat, so I need to come up with a cute outfit to wear it with. If you don't follow me on Instagram yet, I will definitely post it there. And I also ordered something else last week and you might have seen it on TikTok because it went viral for a little bit, but if you're familiar with the Jellycat brand, I think a lot of the girlies know this brand. It has all those cute plushies. But they also had these goggles, and it's basically an eye mask, but it's also a plushie, I think. But I would just wear it as an eye mask because you can. I'm not gonna wear it right now because I'm wearing these eye patches, but this is too funny. I finished my vlog yesterday, but I have to make a thumbnail before it can go live, and it will go live in about 2 hours. So I'm gonna make a thumbnail right now. Cooking it up. Oh! Oh no! I finished making the thumbnails. I made 3 different thumbnails. I made 3 thumbnails because I'm doing this A/B testing on YouTube. It's a new thing, I think, and I can give 3 different titles and 3 different thumbnails, and then they will just show the different ones to the audience and see which one is more liked or more clicked on, and I will get the analytics of it, so then I know what kind of thumbnails or what kind of titles attract a lot of people, and I hope this really helps get me back into the algorithm. And for anyone wondering, I always make my thumbnails in Procreate on my iPad. It's a paid app, but you just pay once and then you can just keep using it forever. So this is where I make all my thumbnails in. So this is the final result of my card. On top I have a lot of things that I'm either using or that I want to use in the near future. Then below I have the things that I have as like backups. And on the bottom I'm keeping my hair stuff. So that's basically my Dyson that I always have underneath. And then everything that is in here and all of this I'm gonna go and give to other people. Then this is where I keep all my skincare that I use on a daily. But now that I have my card here as well, I can see everything in one go. So I think this is perfect and it looks so cute. Then my Dyson can just go beneath every time I use it. I can just put it back over there because it's plugged in over here. I also changed out the pouch that I use for my bag. I have this one from Rode that came with like the whole summer kit that I ordered. And I keep all the things that I have in my bag in here. Hand sanitizer, sunscreen stick, the new charging cable that I bought in the last vlog, hand cream, AirPods, and a bunch of lippies. This is the Rode Peptide Lip Tint in Lemontini, Dior Lip Glow Oil in Mahogany, Gisou Honey Infused Lip Oil in Vanilla Glaze. This is the Glazed Plum, and then the Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum in Pink Glow. And this all fits perfectly in this little pouch. The last thing that I have on my to-do list for today is drawing for the art shop, but because I've been productive for the whole morning, afternoon, I'm gonna take a break and I will see you guys in the evening again. I really like the silver packaging. It feels a little thick. I just finished my evening skincare routine and my skin looks super hydrated, and I used a new product in my skincare routine. So I keep adding like a step when I feel like I'm ready for it. Now I think this is all the steps that I would take and no more. But I used the PDAR and serum because I have two of these now, one from Medicube and one from VT. Anyway, I was going to draw for the stick shop, but it's already 9:30 and I most of the times go to bed around 10:30ish, so I feel like that's just not in the books anymore for today. Thank you as always for watching. Let me know how you like this vlog, and also let me know what you want to see in my next vlogs. Comment them down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. I will see you next Sunday as always. Stay healthy, stay thriving. Bye!
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing.